If you drive a 2001 through 2010 GM pickup truck with the 6.6 liter Duramax, you likely at some point have heard of or considered a FASS diesel fuel system, which is why you're seeing this. But the question that we want to address in this video is, what is the return on investment? You've heard us talk about the benefits of FASS, which includes but is not limited to removal of entrained air and vapor, over 99% water removal from diesel fuel, as well as filtering debris down to 2 micron absolute, which means you can actually triple the life of your injection system, optimize mile per gallon, restore horsepower, improve cold weather performance, and more. But when it comes to dollars and cents, what does a FASS Fuel System mean for you?
One of the most common questions we get here at FASS Fuel Systems is about the potential for mile per gallon or fuel efficiency increases after installing a FASS Fuel System. After all, removing the air and vapor and other contaminants from your fuel optimizes combustion and can increase fuel efficiency. Now, specifically on the 2001 through 2016 Duramax, it's not uncommon for a customer to report a 3 to 3.5 mile per gallon increase. However, we try very diligently to not promise that because so many factors can affect that final mile per gallon number that you see. So our honest answer is, it's very common, but we don't guarantee it.
Well, depending on where you look on the internet and what shop you talk to, replacing the injection system on a 2001 through 2010 Duramax, which obviously spans multiple generations of that engine, can range anywhere from $7,000 to $10,000 or more. Again, somewhere you might be able to find a better deal than that, and some places you might find a much more expensive deal than that. When you're looking at the ROI of a FASS diesel fuel system on your 2001 through 2010 Duramax, it's very important to look at the cost of maintenance. After all, a fresh set of FASS filters will run you about $55 and only need to be changed every 20 to 30,000 miles or one time per year in most cases. Now, on your stock fuel system, if you are buying OEM quality filters, can run you double that or more and or require more frequent filter changes depending on your fuel quality. And with a FASS fuel system, again, based on the data of our research, as well as our fleet partners who are putting hundreds of thousands of miles on these systems with commercial trucks, we are seeing about a 3x increase in injection component life, which means over the life of a truck, let's say you do put hundreds of thousands of miles on a truck, you can potentially avoid 1, 2, or 3 injection system replacements, replaced injectors, damaged injectors, simply by filtering your fuel. So how are we getting to that number where we can confidently say that this should deliver a 3x increase in injection system life? Well, according to the Milwaukee School of Engineering, 75% of hydraulic system failures, which your injection system, your injection pump and injectors are essentially a hydraulic system. Diesel fuel is the hydraulic fluid. 75% of hydraulic system failures are caused by contamination. Guess what the number one contaminant in a hydraulic system is? Air. According to Caterpillar, diesel fuel is 10% air, at least 10% air, when stationary. As you drive and as that fuel sloshes around and gets heated and agitated, that 10% number goes up significantly. And as air passes through your injection system, it can cause cavitation and scoring, metal on metal, which can send shrapnel throughout your injection system, can blow out your injector tips, lead to poor spray patterns, burned pistons, and similar.
Lastly, let's talk about improving cold weather performance. Since we're talking about ROI and ultimately you can't put a price on peace of mind, the improvements in cold weather performance available with a FASS fuel system are not to go unnoticed. Not only is the design of a FASS fuel system better optimized to push through gelled fuel in extreme cold conditions, we also have optional electric heater kits, fuel heater kits, that automatically kick on when your fuel begins to gel and automatically turn themselves off as your fuel reaches operating temperature. It's a feature we call thermostatic control. What this means for you is when extreme cold temperatures arise, or if you live in an area where extreme cold temps are normal, a FASS fuel system will deliver reliable performance at any temperature.
So simply by properly removing the entrained air and vapor out of your fuel, we are able to achieve that 3x increase in injection system life, never mind all the other benefits and potential cost savings we mentioned before. So if you have questions about a FASS diesel fuel system for your Duramax truck, give us a call, shoot us an email, or shoot us a message.